Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now upon miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. So if you want to build your faith, just follow me. And if you want more people to build them faith, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And of course, if you not do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 6 from verse 6 to verse 13. Then Jesus go round and teach in the district them. Him call him 12 apostle them and send them out 2 and give them the right to run out wicked spirits. Him tell them say, when you go which part me send you, the only thing you fi carry, I will walk and take. No bread, no bag, no money. Wear no slippers, but no carry no other clothes. And him tell them say, anytime you go in our house, stand there till you left the area. If you go in one area and the people them not take you in, or no one hear when you have to say, shake the dust off of your foot when you are left. For warn them and for show them say God not happy with them and him go judge them. So them left and start to preach say everybody fi turn away from their sin and turn to God. Them run out enough demon, anoint enough sick people with oil and make them get better. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.